Installing your Brondell Swash is quick and easy. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. First, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve on the wall to stop the flow of water to the toilet. Flush your toilet, holding down the handle until the water is fully drained out of the toilet tank. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve beneath the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Insert rubber washer into provided T-valve with the raised lip facing up. Connect the provided T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. To mount your Swash, place the mounting plate over the bolt holes with the arrow pointing toward the toilet tank. Place adjustable brackets inside the mounting plate and align with the toilet seat bolt holes in your toilet. Slide the mounting bolts through the mounting plate and the holes in the toilet. Secure the bolts with the provided washers and nuts, but leave the bolts loose enough to allow the seat position to be adjusted later. Place your Swash flat onto the toilet in front of the mounting plate. Slide your Swash toward the tank onto the mounting plate until it clicks into place. To adjust the position of the seat, slide your seat forward or backwards for the best fit, and tighten the nuts under the toilet. Connect the plastic side of the bidet hose to the water inlet on the side of your Swash. Connect the metal end of the bidet hose to the T-valve. Slowly turn on the water supply and check for leaks. If there are no leaks, plug the Swash into the nearest GFI outlet. The bidet will immediately power on. Nozzle will extend and retract. Sit on the seat to ensure skin-to-seat contact on the seat sensor to engage Swash functionality. If you'd like a warm water wash, press the water temp button to the desired heat level. Allow the bidet some time to heat up the water to the desired temperature. Congratulations! Your Swash installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your Swash.